What is up, Johnny DeVille here. And as you can see, the winter storm of Uri 2021 has hit Texas and it smacked us freezing cold. As you can see, ice and snow everywhere. I know a lot of you people up north and Midwest and what have you will be saying, oh, this is nothing. You Texans can't handle this. Well, you're correct. It's not like we got tons of snow, but the thing that we don't normally get is 0 degree weather. It sometimes only goes to low 20s, if that. And the fact that we have had like single digits, 5 all over the state of Texas, that's a pretty big deal. I think that hasn't happened since the 1800s, I think. I'm not sure. Hasn't happened in my lifetime. Look at that. This makes for fun driving. And this is no joke. Everything seems closed, but everybody comes to Chick-fil-A. Here's the line all the way around. There's the filet. That almost looks like mountains up there, but it's not. It's just a hill. They do a bunch of digging around here for stuff. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. Beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter. Here is a school. I'm gonna try to get into it. Look at that play park. Oh gosh, they have it covered up. I'm gonna see if I can get this filled. Hopefully they don't have any gates locked. Okay, the gate. Here's the gate. Put my glove back on. I got a whole field. Look at this. Field of glorious white, beautiful snow. Single digit weather. Oh my gosh. I feel like Luke Skywalker when he was walking in Empire Strikes Back, you know. He was like freezing to death out there. He just escaped from the, what's that white creature? Whatever it was. He got frozen, almost died. And he's walking around and he's like, and he sees Obi-Wan's vision. And he was like, Ben. And of course, Obi-Wan's not caring that he's freezing. He just says, you will go to Master Yoda. And then, you know, Han saves him. But that's how I feel right now. I'm looking for my Jedi Master right now to get me out of this crap. here at 7-Eleven waiting in line to get gas right now. Every pump is empty except this one right here. All the gas stations around don't have gas. They haven't had delivery since February 13th. And I hope they don't run out by the time I get up there. But all over, they're out of gas. It's cold. It's cold. Now, once again, I realize that all this snow that we have is nothing compared to what some people get. I know that. I've been to places, skiing, and when I was on tour up through the Midwest in Minnesota towards Canada, and they had it piled up everywhere, and it was pretty cold too. But the thing people don't realize in Texas is we are not used to this. I mean, we get snow from time to time. We don't get sub-zero weather for days on end. So the electric companies weren't prepared. They were having rolling blackouts. So, there's been people without electricity, power, water for 72, just going on, just several days. Gas stations are closed. Grocery stores are closed. People are running out of food. I mean, so, and this is statewide, so this is a big deal. Not necessarily the snow, but it is the freezing weather that has jacked everything up. That is the problem. Some people about to go sledding in the neighborhood. This looks fun and cold. You don't see this every day in Texas. Boiling water. Getting warmed up in front of the heater while the outside temperature drops to 2 degrees here in the great state of Texas.